In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n with Airtable to automatically create records in a table. This is a great way to save data from forms, APIs, or other apps directly into a structured database. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable workflow that sends data from n8n to Airtable without manual effort. Start by opening your n8n dashboard and creating a new, blank workflow. Think of this as your workspace. It's where every node in your automation will live and where you can easily see how data flows from one step to the next. Next, add a manual trigger node. Click Add Node, search for Manual Trigger, and drop it onto the canvas. This node is perfect for testing because it lets you start the workflow on demand using the Execute Workflow button. It's a safe, repeatable way to validate your setup before you connect it to anything live. Now add the Airtable node. Click Add Node again, search for Airtable, and place it on the canvas. This is the piece that allows n8n to talk to your Airtable base and either send data to it or pull data from it. Connect the nodes by dragging from the manual trigger to the Airtable node. That connection defines the execution order. When you trigger the workflow, the Airtable action will run next. Before the Airtable node can work, set up credentials. Click the Airtable node, open the Credentials section, and choose to create a new credential using an Airtable Personal Access Token. In a separate browser tab, generate a token in your Airtable account, then paste it into n8n and save. Keep your token private and store it securely. This is what authorizes n8n to access your Airtable data. With access set, grab your Airtable base ID. Open the base you plan to use and copy the base ID from the URL. Paste that base ID into the Airtable node so n8n knows exactly which database to target. In the Airtable node, set the operation to create record. This tells n8n to add a new row to your table. Then, choose the base using your base ID and select the specific table, such as leads, contacts, or orders. Add the fields that match your Airtable columns, like name, email, and message, and fill in sample values to test. Make sure the field names and types align with what exists in your table to avoid errors. Finally, click Execute Workflow. Once it runs, open your Airtable base and confirm that a new record appears. If you see it, your connection is working end-to-end. Your finished flow is simple. Manual trigger flows into Airtable with the Create Record operation.